When you get sick, it's important that you receive the right care. However, it's also important that you understand what's going on. Care to Translate is a digital translation tool that facilitates communication between patients and healthcare professionals, no matter the language. The app translates healthcare-related communications into audio as well as text. The patient is able to answer questions directly in the app. This reduces the risk of misunderstandings and malpractice, leading to increased patient safety and a higher quality of care. Care to Translate can translate between a number of different languages. In addition, all translations are verified by native speakers with medical expertise, ensuring safe and effective healthcare communications. The app is available 24/7 on desktop, mobile and tablet. Contact us and get your free demo today. Care to Translate. We help you solve language barriers in healthcare.